Welcome back to RSS Studio. In today's video, we're going to open up 4 Rebellion Crash Booster Packs. There we go. Oh, that is freaking sick. I don't know his name right now, or I don't remember, but that is freaking cool. And then, whatever this is. I don't remember the names. And I think it's the second one in the back. We got Surskit. Don't know. Wingull. A trainer. And I don't remember. Move the camera like usual. Okay. This Pokemon, I can't remember. Litwick. Of course, I saw something. I don't remember. Some bird. Volform Nosepass. And holy crap, that's freaking cool. I don't remember what the freaking name is, but that is really cool. Awesome. Alright, and here's the final pack for today's video. Energy, Magmar, I can't remember, Electabuzz, and Maspirit, I don't remember, but those are freaking cool. So glad I got these. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a nice day.